Today, we're going to build a program written in C language to allow customer to calculate their energy uses and estimate their monthly bills. To begin the main function, customer need to choose the preferred task. Program will read the input from the customer. This section is used, switch statement is used for the selection. This is the expected output that we're going to get. This is the code for the program. We're going to talk about the void section later. The variable type is integer and the variable name is choice. The print function will be used to print off the everything for the main menu section of the program, and it will print off the main menu and the three options that given. For the first option is display the electricity usage for this one. The second option is calculate bill estimation for this one, and the third option is to exit from the program. And after that, there's also the fourth print function that will write down and it will display. Please enter your choice, and the consumer will the choices 0, 1, 2, 3, and the program will scan it. Also, for the after what the output, the using switch statement, they're going to show, they're going to put three different cases, and for the first case, it's going to cut. If we pick the first one, if the consumer choose not the first option, it will calculate the usage, and for the second case, if the consumer choose the second option, it will calculate the bills, and for the third case, if the consumer pick the third option, it will print out. It will display you exit this program, thank you, and it will go turn off the program, close down the program. Sorry, and if the consumer didn't put either of this number or option, the default selection will display the invalid choice. Please enter one of the valid choices, and it will close down the program too. If the customer choose one, the program will calculate the usage function. The program will read input from the customer from the previous reading and current reading. Then program calculates the amount of energy consumption in kilowatt per hour, and with the given formula, that is energy consumption equal to current reading minus the previous reading. After that, customer will be back to the main function again to display the main menu, and it is in operation. The function void is added, so it operates specifically for the function. And this is the expected value. If the customer choose the number one, it's going to show the previous reading and the current reading, as well the unit consumed by the customer. This is the code for the program. The variable prev, short for previous, current for short for current, and consume. First of all, with the print function, we're going to print out the this part where it shows the electric usage, the previous reading, and it will scan the previous variable, and for the current reading, it will scan the current variable, and afterward it will calculate the unit consumed using the given formula that's consumed. That is consumed is equal to current minus the previous reading. It will, after the final print function will show the unit consumed or the answer. That's all. And there's a video showing how it's works. And this is the output that you will get.
My name is Ryan, and my matrix number is 07DE22F1029, and I will continue onwards after Dixon's explanation. The third one If the customer chooses to, the program will call calculate bill function. The program will read the input from the customer for the previous and the current reading. Then the program calculates the amount of energy consumption in kilowatts per hour. Energy consumption equals the current minus previous reading. As additional, program will display details of calculation that includes minimum charge for the usage block by referring to the given tariff rates and the amount of electricity bill the customer needs to pay. This use is in the if-else statement to complete this section. The minimum charge is 5 ringgits. Is mandatory for the bill. Charge for each usage block is based on the tariff. If the amount of usage is only 300 kilowatts, the output only display the minimum charge, the charge of the first usage block, the charge for the second usage block, and the charge for the third usage block only. Again, all the calculation according to the rates by the tariff. After that, customer will be back to the main function again, uh, and it will display the main menu. So this is the expected output. As you can see, the customer or the employee or worker enter the second number. As you can see, also there's the previous reading, current reading, and the units consumed. And details of the calculations are below it. There are 6 usage block, and of course the minimum charge, the mandatory. There is 5 ringgits, and the electricity bill. So the following in this slide are the inputs that me and my friend put together for calculating the for the electricity bill. So this is our output that from the program that we me and Dixon put together. As you can see, it pretty much contain as the expected output will come out. There's the bill estimation, calculation details, first until 6 block, and electricity bill. Uh, the next slide is a short video that actually shows that what me and my friend got for this program. And we're on to the last one, that is the fourth one. Is that if the customer choose the third number, the program will end. Before exiting the program, it will display you've exited this program. Thank you. And then exiting the program completely. And this is the expected output. So this is what we've inputted into the coding system or the program. So you can see it is right here on the third case on within the switch statement. So it will print exit the third choice, that is exit from the program, and it will switch the choice and into the case number third if the customer inputted the third number. If so, it will display you've exited this program, and it will break and return, uh, completely closing the program. So this is the output that we got, and it fulfills the expected output. So the next slide will show a short video that how it can be executed within real time. And that's all from us. Thanks for watching.